Why does fire have no shadow? Hold a flame in sunlight and look behind it. There's no shadow. Fire breaks one of the most basic rules of light. Every solid object blocks light, it stops the photons, and a shadow is born behind it. That is the rule. Simple, universal. So why does fire, this glowing, visible thing, refuse to follow that rule? Why does it cast no shadow? To answer this, you need to understand what fire actually is. It is not a thing. It is a process, a reaction happening in real time. Fire has no mass, no solid particles, nothing physical that photons from the sun could actually hit or bounce off of. Sunlight, made of photons, travels straight through fire. The flame does not block it. So nothing on the other side is left in darkness. Here is the deeper truth. Fire is not blocking light, it is producing light. A shadow maker cannot be a light maker at the same time. A stone absorbs and blocks sunlight, shadow appears. Fire emits its own light, no shadow. The difference is everything.
Technically, fire is hot plasma and glowing gas, and plasma interacts with light differently than matter does. It does not create the conditions for shadow.
We live with fire every day. We cook with it, we celebrate with it, and we never noticed. It quietly breaks the rules right in front of our eyes. Let us test it again. My hand blocks light, shadow appears. The flame stands in the same sunlight, and the wall behind it stays bright. No darkness. None. We see fire because it emits light directly into our eyes. But seeing something and that something blocking light are two completely different things. When gases heat up past a certain temperature, they begin to glow, releasing photons. That glow is what we call fire, energy releasing itself as visible light. The sun sends billions of photons downward every second. The fire does not stop even one of them. They pass through, continue forward, and light the ground beyond. A shadow needs a barrier, something that stops the light's path. Transparent things make faint shadows. Solid things make dark ones. Fire makes none. Even in darkness, fire gives light to everything around it, yet it casts no shadow of its own. It illuminates the world while remaining shadowless itself. There is something almost poetic about it. The things that give the most light cast no shadow at all. They are too busy shining to block anything. Campfire, candle, gas flame, bonfire, it does not matter the size. If it is fire, if it is plasma releasing light, it will not create a shadow, ever. One exception, thick smoke. Smoke has solid particles. Those particles block light and cast a faint shadow, but notice that shadow belongs to the smoke, not the fire. So the answer is not magic, it is physics. Fire produces light, it does not block it, and only things that block light can make shadows. Fire simply does not qualify. This is what science does. It takes a moment you never noticed and turns it into a window into how the universe actually works. One flame, one missing shadow, one big truth. Look around you right now. Every ordinary thing is hiding an extraordinary question. The shadow on the ground, the color of the sky, the sound of silence. All waiting to be asked. Next time you light a candle, pause for 1 second. Look behind the flame. Remember what you now know. You are not just holding fire. You are holding a piece of physics in your hand.
Fire has no shadow because it is the source, not the obstacle. It gives light, it does not steal it. And that single difference changes everything we assumed we understood.
Why does fire have no shadow? Because some things in this world exist only to shine. And now, so do you, for knowing this. Stay curious. The world is full of flames waiting to be understood.